Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope your Diwali preparations are going great. I'm so sorry for my voice. I was really ill for last week, so it sounds so bad. So today's video I'm going to show you how to make 3 mocktails very quick and easy with 3 different flavors for everyone to enjoy with. So starting with the first one is Oreo toss, and this is my favorite. So we need a grinder, Milkmaid, Oreo cookies. It's gonna work if you don't have the chocolate flavor. We need coffee, lots of milk, ice cream, you need chocolate syrup. You can replace it with any sweetener also, and yes, lots of ice. So let's get started. So first we need to always put the liquid first. So we're gonna put ice, then milk so that it blends easily, and then 1 scoop of ice cream, or you can put as many as you want. Then we need to put like 1 or 1.5 teaspoon of Milkmaid. I'm just replacing it with the sugar. And then yummy, the best one, put lots of Oreo that it should not miss having anything in it. And then the chocolate syrup. If you don't want to make it too chocolatey, you can skip this step. Then you need to upset down the glass for garnishing. Dip it in the milk, and then you're gonna dip in your Bournvita or Horlicks, whatever you have. And once you're done with that, you're gonna obviously we need the ice first, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and yes, for decoration, I have learned this from CCD people, so you can see how they just decorate it. You know, when I used to come back from my graduation days, I always had a pickup from CCD. I just love so much Oreo shake. But then one day I just decided to make myself, and I ended up making this recipe. And trust me guys, it's very, very yum. If you're an Oreo fan, then you should must try with this recipe. And the second one is strawberry it. So for that we need is a grinder, again the Milkmaid, we're using ice, and here the twist is we're using jam. For just like a fruit jam, you can completely use any of it, and yes, the beetroot for the flavor. We're not adding any of the flavor for the color or something, we just need a beetroot for the color. Let's get going. So we need to add the liquid first, that's ice, then we'll add milk of course, and then 1 or 1.5 teaspoon of Milkmaid again. It completely depends upon you how much sweet you want your liquid to be. And then the beetroot, and while adding the scoops of ice cream, make sure you just do not add lot of, because that makes up I cannot even tell you the taste about. Yeah, when you add fruit jam, just make sure you blend it nicely, because since it's too much thick, it kind of settle down and do not blend. So make sure before pouring it to the glass that you blend it nicely. And then once our batter is ready, we just need to pour it to the glass. And yes, do not forget to add a scoop of ice cream, and I'm garnishing it with the grated beetroot. You can garnish it with anything else also if you have the real strawberries. It's good to go. It reminds me the day when I used to just feel not well, and my mom used to give me this, but not cold. And the last one is my favorite, pina colada, and this is the yellow drink I used to say, because it has all the yellow ingredients, the Milkmaid, mango, pineapple, and the twist here is that I'm adding a coconut water, not the normal water. So not forgetting that we need to always add the liquid first. We're adding the ice, then the pineapple, mango, and yes, then the coconut water, and 1.5 spoon of Milkmaid, the same way as we did earlier. Grind. Then we just need to add it to the glass. and a scoop of ice cream. Whoops, it came out. And we need some pineapples or mango to garnish it, and the drink is ready. It doesn't even take a lot of time. I mean, I think everyone coming for Diwali gifting and all to our home, we should definitely serve them. I hope you like my video. If you do not forget to give me thumbs up and share your ideas below. I would love to read them. Bye.